The National Threat Assessment Center is a division of the Secret Service. We conduct research. We also offer training and consultation services in the areas of threat assessment and prevention of targeted violence. So the Secret Service uses behavioral threat assessment in order to protect the president, the vice president, and other government officials. The latest case study is a behavioral case study examining the background, thinking, and behavior of an individual who engaged in an act of mass violence at the First Baptist Church of Sutherland Springs in Texas, the deadliest mass shooting in Texas state history. This individual had a particularly disturbing and long history of domestic violence, and so we're utilizing this case study to emphasize the link that we know that exists between domestic violence and mass violence. The violence that begins in the home does not always stay in the home, and domestic violence does not often stop at a single victim. And so we know that the impact of his behaviors is broad, affected the broader community. And so we know that this does not affect just a single victim. And it requires a community-based approach, a community-based effort in order to deal with this issue. What we have found consistently in our research reports is that there is a commonality across individuals who engage in assassinations or assassination attempts, individuals who engage in mass violence, school violence. So we've compiled a set of assessment themes that collapse across these different areas of targeted violence and identify some of these early warning signs of violence in our communities, as well as violence that is attempted to be perpetrated against government officials. And so cases like this help us to spread awareness and educate the public and public safety professionals, as well as individuals in the Secret Service and other law enforcement agencies, in order to identify what those early warning signs are so we can better advance the protective mission of the Secret Service.